Ready to ditch the tech headaches and build your own stunning website in minutes? Let's dive into Wix. First, head over to Wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click Create New Site. Wix will ask what kind of website you're building. This helps them tailor the experience. Select the category that best fits your needs. Next, you'll choose between Wix AD and Wix Editor. If you want a quick, AI-powered website creation, select Wix AD, but for full control, click Choose a template to use the Wix Editor. Browse through the extensive template library and select one that closely matches your vision. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can customize everything. Now you're in the Wix Editor. On the left-hand side, you'll find the tools to add and manage elements. Click the plus icon to add text, images, buttons, and more. To add text, drag a text box onto your page and type in your content. Use the formatting options to adjust the font, size, and color. Add images by clicking the plus icon. Then image, you can upload your own or choose from Wix's free stock photos. Buttons are great for calls to action. Add a button and link it to another page on your site, an external website, or even a downloadable file. To customize the design, click on any element, like a section background, change the color, add an image, or adjust the layout. Use the page menu at the top to switch between different pages on your website. This is where you manage your home page, about page, contact page, and more. Before you publish, click the mobile icon at the top to optimize your site for mobile devices. Ensure everything looks good on smaller screens. Once you're happy with your website, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Choose a free Wix domain or connect your own custom domain. Congratulations! Your website is now live. Play around with other features, and don't be afraid to experiment.